LNB Electronics. Had a issue with my LG TV for years. Finally got support to send out a contractor to fix, and TV is as good new now. So happy with the service and workmanship of the team. Defiantly will use again in the future. We own an amp, operate a busy hotel, and use LNB Electronics for all of our audio-visual needs. We find the team friendly, highly efficient, and exceed our expectations with products and amp installations. I would not hesitate to recommend this business. Keep up the good work, Les and Nardia.
Very easy to deal with great stock selection. Definitely know their products. Highly recommended.
Excellent service and helpful tips. Hope to work for you again soon.